Let me ask you something honest. Have you ever looked at people making money with AI online and thought, that is great for them, but I have no idea where to even start? I have no experience with any of this. I'm not a tech person, I do not know how to code, I have never run a business before. If that sounds familiar, this video is specifically for you. Because in 2026, not having experience is not the barrier it used to be. AI has changed that completely. And in the next 8 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how someone with zero experience, can start building real income with AI right now. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. Today is the complete beginner guide. No jargon, no assumptions about what you already know, just a clear, honest answer to the question, how do I actually start making money with AI when I have no experience at all? Let's get into it. I want to start by addressing something directly because I hear this concern from so many people. I am not technical enough for this. Here's what I want you to understand. The entire point of AI tools in 2026 is that they do the technical work for you. You do not need to know how to code because ChatGPT writes code. You do not need to know graphic design because Canva AI designs for you. You do not need to know how to write professionally because AI helps you write. You do not need to know video editing because AI tools handle it. The experience that used to take years to build, writing skills, design skills, coding skills, marketing knowledge, AI either replaces or dramatically accelerates for complete beginners. What you do need is something much simpler. You need the willingness to learn how to use these tools, the patience to stay consistent for a few months, and the honesty to understand that results come from effort, not magic. Those three things, willingness, patience, and honesty, are qualities that have nothing to do with technical experience, and they're qualities you already have. So, where exactly should a complete beginner start? Out of all the AI income opportunities available in 2026, there are 3 that are genuinely the most beginner-friendly, meaning they require the least technical knowledge, the least upfront investment, and produce results in the shortest realistic time frame. Those 3 are content creation and YouTube, selling digital products, and AI freelancing. Let me walk you through each one clearly so you can decide which one fits your situation best. The first path is content creation using AI tools, and this is exactly what AI Wealth Odyssey is built on. Here's why this path works so well for beginners with no experience. You do not need to be an expert on camera. You do not need professional equipment. You do not need a film or video production background. AI handles the scripting, the voiceover, the visuals, and the editing, leaving you to focus purely on the strategy and the ideas. The basic workflow looks like this. You choose a topic that your target audience wants to learn about. You use ChatGPT to write your script. You use 11 Labs to generate a natural-sounding voiceover. You use AI video tools to create the visuals. You use Canva to design your thumbnail, and you publish. You have no video production experience, AI handles the production. You have no writing experience, ChatGPT handles the writing. You have no design experience, Canva handles the design. The income comes from YouTube ad revenue once you hit monetization, from affiliate links in your video descriptions, and from digital products you mention in your content. 3 income streams from one piece of content, none of which require experience to set up. The second path is selling digital products, and this is one of the most accessible income models available for complete beginners in 2026. A digital product is something you create once and sell an unlimited number of times. No inventory, no shipping, no customer service beyond the initial setup, just a file that Etsy or Gumroad delivers automatically every time someone buys. The basic workflow looks like this. You choose a niche, something people actively search for on Etsy or Gumroad. You use ChatGPT to structure and write the content. You use Canva to design the product professionally. You list it on Etsy with keyword-optimized titles and tags, and you let Etsy's built-in marketplace traffic bring you buyers. The entire process from idea to published listing can be done in a single weekend. You do not need design experience because Canva has professional templates. You do not need writing experience because ChatGPT helps you write. You do not need marketing experience because Etsy brings the audience to you. The third path is AI freelancing, and this is the fastest path to active income for someone with no experience. Here is the honest reality of Fiverr in 2026. Thousands of businesses and individuals need content, designs, social media posts, email copy, and other digital services every single day. And most of them do not care whether you use AI to deliver those services. They just want high-quality results delivered quickly. With AI tools, you can offer professional quality services even as a complete beginner because the AI does the technical heavy lifting. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva creates the designs. You manage the client communication and the quality control. The services that work best for AI-assisted beginners on Fiverr include social media content packages, ebook or blog writing, logo and branding design, email newsletter writing, and video script creation. You set up your gig, describe your service clearly, price it competitively for a beginner, and start delivering orders. Your first few orders will teach you more than any course ever could. And once you have positive reviews, your gig visibility grows, and so does your income. Now, you might be wondering, which of these three paths should I start with? Here is my honest recommendation based on your situation. If you enjoy creating content and are willing to be consistent for 6 to 12 months, choose content creation. The income takes longer to build, but it becomes the most powerful long-term asset. If you want to build something truly passive that requires minimal ongoing time investment, choose digital products. Set it up once, optimize it well, and let it run. If you need income sooner rather than later and are comfortable engaging directly with clients, choose AI freelancing on Fiverr. It is the fastest path to your first real payment. The most important thing is to choose one path and commit to it. The biggest mistake beginners make is trying all three at once and doing none of them properly. Pick one, go deep, stay consistent, then add a second income stream once the first is established. Regardless of which path you choose, there are 5 AI tools that every complete beginner needs in 2026. Number 1, ChatGPT for writing, research, ideas, scripts, product descriptions, and strategy. This is your most important tool. Number 2, Canva for designs, thumbnails, digital products, social media graphics, and presentations. The free version is enough to start. Number 3, 11 Labs for professional AI voiceovers if you are creating video content without recording your own voice. Number 4, Etsy or Gumroad for selling your digital products without needing your own website. Number 5, YouTube for building a content platform that generates multiple income streams and compounds over time. All 5 of these are free to start with, zero upfront investment required, just a laptop and a willingness to learn. Before I wrap up, I want to say something directly to you if you're sitting there with zero experience, feeling like this is all a bit overwhelming. That feeling is completely normal. Every single person who is now making income online with AI felt exactly that way when they started. The tools felt unfamiliar, the process felt unclear, the results felt uncertain. But here's what changed everything for them. They started anyway. They did not wait until they felt ready. They did not wait until they had more knowledge or more confidence or more time. They picked one path, used the tools available to them, and figured it out as they went. You do not need experience to start. You need to start to gain experience. And in 2026, AI makes that starting point more accessible than it has ever been in history. Now, drop a comment below and tell me, which of these 3 paths are you going to start with? Content creation, digital products, or AI freelancing on Fiverr? I read every single comment and I genuinely want to know.
If this video gave you value, please smash that like button. It helps more people find this channel and keeps this free content coming every week. And if you're not yet subscribed to AI Wealth Odyssey, hit that subscribe button right now. Every week, we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.